Okay, I'll do a quick walk around on the 51 Ford F1. She's a good driver. It's one of those. It was restored probably, I don't know, 15, 20 years ago. And probably needs some love again. Good shape. Got a couple little spots in the floor pan. Probably need attention. A couple little bubbles on the passenger side. You can definitely see where there's been a little bit of body work in the front fenders. Nothing major. I went through it with a magnet and it actually still sticks to it. You can see the little bubbles there. I mean, back behind it's all good. You can see where, at the weld points with the paint, 15 years with paint. There's actually fender skirts that go on this. That's what that discoloration is there. I'll put those on and take some more pictures. But she's in good shape. Great driver. I mean, it drives like a 1951 pickup, but she's a good driver. You can see where that fender's been worked a little bit, but they all have. I love the Swan. Supposedly those wings light up at night. You gotta turn on the light, or he's thinking maybe the bulbs burn out, but they used to. I know he knows that they used to. There's the interior. It's good. Seats in great shape, perfect shape. Headliner looks pretty good. It's that cardboard headliner. A little bit of a sag to it. Visors are good. He added the little drink holder since there isn't one, so I'm just going to leave it. I think it's cool. Everything's there. The driver's side glass has a little bit of crack in it. All the rest of the glass is good. You can see some bubbling in this one, but it's all there. Roof looks good. Windows are all sealed pretty good. This one's starting to crack a little bit on the back side. I think the front one actually looks pretty good. And it's got a little bit here in the corners. A little bit of dry rot on the seal, but it's good. It doesn't leak or anything, so that's good. Let's see if I can pop this really quick. Flathead V8. Still a 6-volt system. Probably upgrade that if you really wanted to, but it depends on how deep you're going to get into it, how much electronics you want to add to it, because everything works. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Apparently, according to him, and I haven't driven enough yet, the only gauge that doesn't work is the temperature gauge. But it does not overheat. It didn't seem to. We had it sitting there idling for a good half hour, 45 minutes this morning, and it never overheated, so I'm going to assume that it's actually probably pretty good. The interior actually is pretty good. I mean, it's a little dated, but it's all there. You can see the floors there look pretty good. If I can get up underneath here and you can see anything or not, but it actually looks pretty good. There's just a couple little tiny, pinhole type things that I would probably take care of just because I'm hypercritical. But that's it. That is the 1951 Ford F1. Actually, here, I'll fire it up real quick. It should fire up. She's fired up. Nice and quiet, actually. I can even hear it on the video.